Hey Brandon, I'm going to do a quick video to show you what I think you want. And to get the full report of all your accounts, you're going to use the report tab right here up on the top. And we're going to modify an existing report to get you what you need. So what I want you to do is use the accounts and contacts in this list right here. We're going to choose account and contact reports. And then we're going to do all active accounts, which is the fourth option down here on this list. Okay, now I'm going to have to do a few things to mimic what you're going to see. To see your accounts, I'm going to have to change to all accounts, but you would just leave this on yours for yours. Okay, now, and what you want to do is create date, and then you want to choose all time in the date range. Okay, and then I'm going to have to set an additional filter just so I can see your accounts. So let me choose Brandon. Now of course you won't have to do this because all you'll be able to see is your accounts. But I'm going to have to do this just to filter to mimic what you'll see. Okay, so here we have your report, and it's missing the billing or shipping address. And to add additional fields, you can come over here on the side that you see here, and you can choose billing address 1. I want to add that right there after the account name and before the state. And if it's the shipping, or if you want both, you can choose the shipping address and add that right there. And so now you have both. And if there's anything you want to take off the report you don't need, like type doesn't seem to be filled out, I can just drag that off. And maybe take industry off as well. And maybe we want the zip code here as well. It's kind of finicky. You got to be real careful where you add it. And there we go. So now we have the custom report. Now you'll notice in this preview you'll only have 50 records. Don't worry about that. To see all of your reports, you've got to actually run the report, or to see all of your accounts, you've got to actually run the report by clicking this button here. And give that a second to pull all 804 of your accounts. Now it's running a little slow here. And there we go. I'm going to scroll to the end real quick just to show you that all 804 records are here with both the billing street address, or mailing address, and the ship to address right here. So again, that's how you can take a standard report and easily customize it to get what you need. And these are linkable too, so if you want to edit the address for, say, printing solution services, you can just click on it and go down here to the billing address, or add your shipping address. You can double click in that field and make the change. Now it's important, if you make the change, I'm going to add a couple of spaces here and hopefully that'll take it. Notice it's in red. If it's in red, that means you have to hit the save before you exit, or you'll lose your change. So there, we've updated that record. My computer's a little slow, but now that record's been updated. So that's all there is to it. Hope that helps you and gets you what you need.